Welcome friends to my video. Today we will talk about a topic of the connecting to an exchange and retrieving the balance information. I would appreciate for subscribing to my channel and like on this video. Thank you. Today I want to show you how very simple it is to connect to an exchange and retrieving the data, for example data about your balance. So I'll be using the demo account for safety and I recommended you do the same thing. So let's get started. First of all, we need to import the C60 library, which will allow us to work with the cryptocurrency exchanges. Next, we need to create several constants for convenience. First is exchange. We need to specify the name of the exchange we'll be working with. So you can use various cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Bybit or others. And then we need to create constants for the API keys, secret key and API password. Let's do it. So cool. Now let's move on to the main part. We need to make the connection with the exchange. We will set the main parameters and use the constants what we created here. Alright, so next, for the safety reasons, we need to set these parameters to ensure that we're not using the real money. So what we need to do, we need to call the exchange set SANDBOX mode. So the true. Alright, so now we need to create the balance variable. Balance. Then we need to call the exchange, and we need to call the fetch balance method. So this is a method that will help us to retrieve information about the balance. So this is the special method from the C60 library. Alright, so here I would like to make a small header. Okay, demo balance. Alright, so and after this header I would like to print the all information about my cryptocurrencies in my account, about my balance. So in the last step I would like to make the for loop. So I would like to show the old currency what I have in my account. So if it's amount more than 0, we need to print it in our terminal. Alright guys, we're done. Now I will change the secret keys to mine, and we will do the test. We will do the testing, so how it works. So alright guys, I've just changed the API keys. Let's run the code. Alright, so yeah, it works fine. As we can see that we have the small header here, always the balance. Here's the small mistake, but alright. You better, but alright, no problem. So we see our the small header here. We see how much money I have in my account. It's demo account. So yeah, it's 275k. I have some bitcoins here, USDT. So yeah, I have the Ethereum, OKB coin. So alright, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video.